Want to boost your video's visibility? Let's talk about tags. Tags help categorize your content, making it easier for viewers to find. Start by brainstorming keywords related to your video. Think about what your audience might search for. Write down these keywords. They will guide your tagging process and enhance your video's reach. Now head to the tag section while uploading your video. Add your chosen keywords here. Choose relevant tags that accurately describe your content. This helps YouTube understand your video better. After your video is live, check the analytics. See which tags are driving views and adjust accordingly. Remember, tags aren't the only factor. Combine them with great titles and descriptions for maximum impact. An eye-catching thumbnail can attract more clicks, so don't overlook it. Share your video across platforms. More exposure means more potential viewers. With the right tags, you'll see your views soar. So start tagging wisely. Your audience is waiting for your content. Remember, every great video starts with a great strategy. Happy tagging!